Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, the Explicit Tutorials. Please, as you're watching this video, endeavor to subscribe, like, share and comment. Don't forget, we are still on word problem leading to a quadratic equation in mathematics. I've solved a lot of questions on this topic and more videos are yet to be uploaded on this topic. Please don't forget to subscribe. Look at, there's a question on the board which we are to solve with ease, you understand? A rectangular lawn of length x plus 5 meters is x minus 2 meters wide. Okay, if the diagonal is x plus 6 meters, find the value of x. Now, the wideness is the breadth, and of course, this is what? The length. If we are to illustrate this diagrammatically, we are to use what? A rectangle. Alright, a diagonal is that line that divides the rectangle into two parts. If I have something like this, like this, like this, like this. Alright, here is the breadth, which is x minus 2, which is wide. Then you now have the length, which is what? X plus 5. X plus 5, and the diagonal is x plus 6. So it means this is the diagonal. Here you have x plus 6. Now looking at what we have here, we've successfully coined out a right-angled triangle. Now looking at what we have here, we have to use Pythagoras rule from Pythagoras rule. You know that this rule states that the square of the hypotenuse is the sum of the square of the other two sides, which means that if I have x plus 6, it's going to be squared equals what? X minus 2 squared plus x plus 5 squared. Like the square of the hypotenuse is the sum of the square of the other two sides. So from here we'll solve. Now let me first of all solve this. Since I have this, I'm going to write it out twice. X plus 6. If I was to expand, it becomes x times x is x squared plus x times 6 is 6x plus 6 times x is 6x. Then 6 times 6 is what? 36, which means that x squared plus 6x plus 6x is 12x, then plus what? 36. Now this is for the hypotenuse. Now you have the other one, you have x plus 2, like twice x plus what? 2. Now this x times x squared plus x times this 2x. Okay, is it okay? Sorry, it's minus, sorry. So x times x is x squared. X times minus 2 is what? Minus 2x. Then minus 2 times x is minus 2x. Then minus times minus is plus. Then 2 times 2 is what? 4. Alright, so from here I'll have x squared minus 4x plus what? 4. Alright, so this one is for this. And the last one is x plus 5. X plus 5 twice x plus 5. Now x times x is x squared, then plus x times this is 5x plus this times this is 5x, then plus times plus is plus, then 5 times 5 is what? 25. So I now have x squared plus 10x plus what? 25. So it means this, and this have been tackled, which means that by my left hand side I have x squared plus 12x plus 36 equals equals, now this is x plus x, it is 2s squared. S squared plus 2 s squared plus s squared is what? 2s what? Squared. And the next one is minus 4. I is now have minus 4x. Then minus 4x plus 4x, it is what? Plus 6x. Alright, plus 6x. Then 4 times 4 plus 25 is plus what? 29. Alright, so this is the one by my left hand side. So this x squared plus s squared, you have what? 2s squared. Then minus 4x plus 10x is plus 6x. Then 4 plus 25 is what? 29. Now we have to solve everything. In doing so, I will not be having this will cross over. It becomes, now this minus this, it is what? S. If I take 1s squared from this place, I'm left with what? 1s squared. Then 12 minus 6 is, okay, if this will cross over, it becomes 6x minus what? 12x. And that is what? Minus 6x. Okay, now if this should cross over, it becomes minus 29 plus 29 minus 36, that becomes minus 7. This is equals what? 0. Alright, so this is a quadratic equation. Now since you've been able to get to this point, what will you do? You look for two numbers such that when you multiply those two numbers, you get 7. And when you do the sum or the difference of those two numbers, you get what? 6x. And that is going to be s squared. Then minus 7x minus x minus 7 equals what? 0. That is because minus 7x plus x, it is what? Minus 6x. Then 7 times 1. There's an invisible 1 here, which is what? 7. Put this into two parts. If you are able to do this, it means that food is ready to be eaten. Now, since we have x squared minus 7x plus x minus 7, bring out 1x. If you should bring out 1x, it becomes x open brackets x minus 7, okay, then plus 1 open bracket x minus what? 7, okay, because plus times minus is minus and you have minus 7. So since I have x minus 7, I'll pick 1, that is x minus 7. What am I having left? X plus 1, that is x plus what? 1. Therefore, x minus 7 equals 0, or x plus 1 equals 0. Therefore, x is equals 7, or s is equals what? Minus what? 1. So that is the answer. That is the value of x. Alright, so please, as you're watching this video, if you don't understand this, you can play it over and over again for a better understanding. And if there's any confusion, if you are curious about something, do not relent to drop it on the comment section. I shall attend to it. Just follow it bit by bit. Now this is case 1, this is case 2, and this is what? Case 3. All right, this is case 1, case 2, case 3. Now this is what I have here. Okay, x, this case 2, case 3. Now x plus x is what? 2x squared. That is what I have here. That is s squared plus s squared. That is what I have here. Plus then minus 4 plus minus 4x plus 10x is what? Plus 6x. Then 4 plus 25 is what? 29. Doing after collecting like terms, we have this. We look for two numbers such that when you multiply those two numbers, you get 7. And when you do the difference of those two numbers, you will get what? This very one. So please endeavor to subscribe, like, share, and comment. It is very, very important. Do have a wonderful day.